hope you enjoyed that little Francie skit. Today I'm going to be fixing this vintage Francie Mattel doll. As you can see, her legs have the very common splay to it. It reminds me of a duel, so I like to correct them whenever I see it on the dolls. It's a really easy fix, maybe 10 minutes. You'll need boiling water, a few paper towels, and some tape. No print though on the paper towels because any of the ink could transfer directly onto the doll's legs. Wrap the doll's legs in paper towels, tape, and let them cool. Once you unwrap the doll's legs, you'll see that they're completely fixed. Thanks. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes now. I've been letting her sit. She's a little bit warm, but for the sake of the video, I want to go ahead and see what we were working with. Let me turn the light on. So I just used tape to hold the paper towels together. You want to try to hold it as tight as possible to hold that position as she cools. Don't use a rubber band or anything like a string or a tie that you tie real tight because it could put grooves in her legs. Because when her legs are really warm like that, you know, it's really pliable. So you don't want to put any grooves in the legs. So let's see what we have. And you want to put the paper towels as tight as possible. And just wrap her up. And there you go. Now her legs are much better. The splay's gone, and when you put the little clothes on and display her, she won't look like she's ready for a duel. Okay, well, if you like this video on how to fix the splay, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.